The Baltimore Curriculum Project has been using direct instruction in many of the city schools since 1996. We here at Wolf have been using it since 2007. Direct instruction is a research-based approach to teaching reading. It emphasizes explicit instruction and scaffolded lessons with scripted guided readings by the teacher.
Get ready. Get ready. Good job, friends.
So at Wolf Street, we have a very high population of English language learners, and it's often that a lot of our families do not have either previous education or they haven't been educated in the United States. So we planned an event that is going to inform the families of our students about the reading curriculum and then how they can support it home as well.
When I read a book, I like to start with the title. I'm going to touch the title and read the words. Hooray for hat. Can you say that with me?
Yeah.
Hooray for hat.
Now, read the first sentence, everybody. Get ready.
The girls sleep on the porch.
Yes. What's the subject? Get ready.
The girls
Yes. What's the predicate? Get ready.
sleep on the porch.
Yes. When did the baby start to cry? Get ready.
When his mother left the room.
Yes. Sentence 3.
One of the great things about DI is it is a scripted program, and so we can do training with any adult in the building, any teacher, and get the program replicated to fidelity in any capacity, and all of the children should make that same type of growth.
I love this hat, but I can't cheer while our friend Giraffe is not feeling well. What can we do?
Part of the event was not just showing them, but then giving them resources that they can actively use at home from starting tonight. Nothing that they need to prepare. We purchase everything, we create everything. It's in a language that is their first language, since most of our families speak Spanish as a first language, but it's also given in English. And if we have any other families that request another language, we would provide it in that language as well. And then they can take those activities home and do them immediately with their children at home.
Get ready.
Teachers.
Good job. Let's say goodbye to teachers.
Goodbye, teachers.
Get ready.
Tears.
Yes, Tier. Good job. Say goodbye.
So
Tier.
this list is usually a list that we have with any students who have any errors in their reading or from their presentation. So estas son las palabras que los niños cuando tienen errores en las lecturas o en algunas palabras que estamos ellos aprendiendo, entonces lo escribo para que ellos entonces vayan aprendiendo y vayan practicando esas palabras.
I have been teaching what's called a decoding B1 group, and by the end of this school year, we should have moved them 2.5 years in their reading towards reaching grade level.
They all marched to Giraffe's home. On the way, Lion started to feel better. And soon, who are they going to see? Giraffe. Hooray for friends!
Thank you guys so much.